I'm Philipp von Schöppentau, the Secretary General of ECA, the European Cockpit Association. Well, Ryanair pilots should join a pilot association because if they join one ECA member association, they actually join a whole family of member associations across Europe. And that way they don't only get the specific services of this one member association, but also they get access to a network of 38 pilot associations across Europe and all the services and support they can provide. So by joining one member association of ECA, you effectively join a whole family of 38. The project is extremely important for all pilots in Europe because we all know that the major companies in Europe, and Ryanair is one of those big companies, actually do set the standard for many of the other players in the market and their employees. And they do set standards both in terms of good practices and worst practices. And our aim clearly is to encourage best practices and to combat worst practices for all airline pilots across Europe. ECA and our member associations, we have mobilized considerable resources to help Ryanair pilots in their wish to organize as a group and ultimately to negotiate collectively with their employer. And we do think that this right to collective bargaining is a very fundamental right that should not be denied to anybody in Europe, and this is what we're striving for, and that's what the Ryanair pilots are striving for. We think that the Ryanair pilots are definitely on the right track to go down that route and on the right track to speak as a single and unified pilot group across Europe.